How to track your orders on Temu app. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to track your orders on Temu. Watch the video till the end and without further ado, let's dive right into the video. Launch Temu app on your device and proceed towards your home screen of Temu. Make sure that you have logged into your account. Now tap U icon at bottom left corner or bottom center of your screen. Now you have to select your orders to view all your orders. After that, currently you don't have any orders, but if you have any, you will simply find. Or else, you can simply tap self-service to find order as well. After that, you will find different options to find your order, like entering your phone number, email address, order ID, or payment information. You can choose any option, for example, let's say email address. Simply you have to enter the required information and then tap on Find Order button. Then after that you'll be able to track your orders. If you found this guide helpful, please like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.